Hello guys, this is camping day 1, and today we're eating for dessert is marshmallow cone. So basically the marshmallow cone ice cream is a ice cream cone with marshmallows on the top and a Rolo. A Rolo is basically a piece of chocolate at the bottom of the cone. So this is it. Sorry, I got a little bit of marshmallow on it. Pretty good. You should try this at camping. Okay guys, this is a chocolate at the bottom.